Today I'm talking about
Hi, Evelyn here again. It's tax time and nobody wants to be audited by the IRS. So today I'll just talk about some red flags you need to look at as you file your tax return. So to avoid an IRS audit, what you have to do is you have to make sure that the amount on your tax return matches your 1099. So you don't want a 1099 that reports the amount that differs from what you actually report in your tax return, because the IRS computer will pick up on this. A lot of this audit starts with automated. They have a computer system, they have an algorithm they look at, and if your numbers are off from what they expect, then automatically you get sent a letter. So some of the things that you might want to look at are the 1099 miscellaneous you get. You want to make sure that you report that as Schedule C income and not other income, because what happens is if you put that as other income, that's going to create a flag, because IRS expect to see some Schedule C income from your 1099. Another thing you want to look at is you want to enter income from each W-2. Don't combine them, because combining is a trigger, a red flag. So every single document you enter, you want to enter that individually. Don't combine your income. And then you want to match rental payments, if you're a business, to your landlord's rental income, because when you give them 1099, when they have a 1099, the IRS is going to try and match the two. And then also, this also depends if you're an accrual-based or a cash-basis customer. As a cash-basis customer, you cannot deduct more than 12 months ahead. So let me give you an example. So for example, if you pay 12 months rent in June of 2018 as a cash method taxpayer, you can deduct the entire $12,000. That's because you're within 12 months within the year. However, if you pay 3 years for $7,000 per year, all you can deduct is $7,000, because the IRS does not allow you to deduct more than 12 months out. Another thing you might want to look at is when you get an IRS notice, you want to make sure you respond to it right away. Waiting and thinking the IRS will forget all about the notice only makes things worse. A lot of audits start with a request for more information. So when you give the IRS information they want, they leave you alone. But what happens is when you ignore it and you put it away and you think it's just going to go away, it only gets worse. So make sure you respond. And if you don't understand, talk to your CPA about it and say, hey, I got this notice. I don't know what it is. Can you help me figure it out? A lot of times when you have good documentation, why difference exists between what IRS has in the system and what you have, that's really more than enough to resolve the problem. So if you want more of this kind of videos, you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe or like my video. I kind of look forward to seeing you in the next video. I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.